Okay, guys, you see this cat? His name is Jackie, a cat who has white fur, just like Cicely, pretty much. But Jackie, most of the time, when it comes at nighttime, he often, when my mother's not home, he usually is on his bed, or he's in this room often. He can be cute. You consider cats to be cute. Yeah. He's licking himself. Don't ask him why he's licking his own fur. He's just doing it. And Jackie can purr too. You know, all cats need love. Because yeah, if there's a cat that needs love, who you want to focus on giving love to, I don't know. Cats just need love. That's what they do. They need love. Because cats are cats. And they can be cute as they can be cute as they can be. Jackie's purring. He's purring. He really is. He really is purring. But there is a cat that is in this room besides this one. And he's under the damn bed. That's the stupid Pepper. I don't know why he says the word stupid, but Pepper is probably the worst of the cats. Because he's most Pepper Pepper is usually under the bed. That's where he likes to go. He likes to go under the bed, which is not something he should be doing. But I'll see you in the next video.